Margin? You want to talk about margin? All right, let's get into it. All right, so now we're talking about margin, and you guys are like, I've heard it in 2 different scenarios, and I don't really know what the difference is. I don't really get it. What does margin mean? I don't understand. So let's first break down the first definition of margin. So basically, they have the amount of money that they put into create a product, and then the amount of money that they sell it for. So the difference between the amount that they put into the company and the amount that they sell it for is the margin on that product. And that's where you're gonna hear it most commonly. The next thing that you might hear with the word margin is margin accounts. And basically what that is that's an account through like your broker, through like Vanguard, through whatever investing platform you're on, that will allow you to borrow money essentially to invest more money into the stock market. So yes, it could increase the amount of returns that you get, but it also comes with rules, such as like if you buy something on margin and it drops 10%, you have to sell that position. So you automatically are losing that money. You can't be a holder like you can be with your own money. So there's also a lot more risk with having a margin account because there's a lot more that can go wrong than there is that can go right. If the stock market itself is not already something that can cause a lot of ups and downs, it's always in your best interest to not open up a margin account. Again, this was just a simple, quick breakdown of the word margin and where you're gonna hear it in the investing world. Hopefully it was helpful in some way, shape, or form. If it was, please hit that like button and the subscribe button and the bell notification so you get all these videos as soon as they come out, and we try to expand our financial knowledge. That's basically what this channel is all about. If you guys have any topics that you want me to cover or any questions, don't be afraid to put those down in the comment section below. If you're not comfortable commenting below, I have an email that I check every day. It's in the description. Other than that, there is a donation link down there, but again, that's just if you guys want to. You don't have to donate. It's just another way for me to receive revenue, since my page is quite small still. So if you guys do believe in the dream, do not be afraid to donate. I would be greatly appreciated so I can put it back into getting this content out to you guys on a much better platform and a much higher quality. But again, thank you guys so much for watching the video. I hope you guys have a great day. Love you guys so much. Bye.